Hello students, I am Vidya from G.K.Jain school. Now I am going to teach you about electricity from class 7. In the last video itself, in the 7th standard video, under the electricity lesson, we have discussed about the flow of electrons and the flow of protons. The flow of electrons is called as electric current and the flow of protons, that means partial charge, is called as a conventional current. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is potential difference. What is potential difference? See, if you take a water pipe, okay, so consider this two container and here one container. The water level of the two container is equal. Okay, then I connect the two container to a pipe. So can you tell me the water flow from one container to another container in this case? No, because here the first container, the amount of water is equal to the amount of water present in the second container. And even when we connect the two containers, the water flow will not take place. But in this case, if one container I kept on top, okay, I given height difference. So one container kept at high and another container I kept at bottom, at the low from the second container. Okay, what will happen in this case? See, obviously the water will flow from the container which I kept on top. Okay, so from that container to this container. Okay, so what enables the water flow from one container to another container in this case? Yes, height difference. Height difference. Because of the height difference, the water flow will take place. Okay, but if you take the electric circuit, this is also similar in case of the water pipe. See, when the current is flow, so the flow of electrons is only called as the electric current. But if we do not give any difference like the height difference, or if you do not give any difference or any external circuit in the external component in this circuit, the electron will not be flowed through this wire. So for that, what we have to do? We have to connect the battery or cell. So if you take the electric circuit, but there is no source, there is no cell and there is no battery, the current will flow and the current will make the bulb to glow. See, this is what bulb. Okay, so here the bulb is connected. Okay, and here it is a switch. Okay, so it is a circuit. So the bulb will be glow or not if there is no cell or battery. Yes, obviously the bulb will not be glow. So when I connect the battery here, okay, so here I connect battery. So this is the symbol of battery. So what will happen? The current will flow through the circuit and it makes the bulb to glow. So which one provides potential difference here? The cell or battery provides potential difference like a height difference here. So here the height, because of the height difference, the water will flow from one container to another container. In the similar way, because of the battery which provides potential difference at any 2 point, in this 2 point, okay, in this 2 point it provides potential difference. So because of the potential difference, the electrons will flow from one point to another point. The electric current will start to Then like the waterfalls. In the waterfalls, how the water flow from the top of the mountain to a base to the ground. In the same way, the current also will flow from higher potential to lower potential. The current always flow from higher potential to lower potential, like this container. The water flow from the container which I kept at the maximum height. So from there it is flowing to the container which I kept at low. Okay. Then next one we are going to see about electrical conductivity and resistance. So before going into this topic, we must know what is resistance. We must know how to measure the potential difference in the circuit. So we can measure the potential difference by the instrument, by using the instrument voltmeter. Okay, so the voltmeter is an instrument to use to measure the potential difference in the circuit, and that unit is volt. The unit of potential difference is volt. And what is mean by electrical conductivity? See, that electrical conductivity means it is a measure of material's ability. What ability? How it conduct the, how strong it conduct the electricity. So that is what called as a conductivity. It is also known as specific conductance. So it is a measure of material's ability, how strong it conduct the electric current. And the electric conductivity is denoted by the symbol sigma, and unit of the electrical conductivity is Simpson by meter. Okay. Then next one is resistivity. What does mean by resistivity? So before going to see the resistivity, we must know about resistance. Then only the resistivity you can understand. So resistance means it is a component in the circuit. It is one of the component which can connect into the electric circuit. It resists the flow of electric charges. So the current is flowing through the circuit, through the wire. So if you connect this resistance, it is a component. Okay, when you connect the component, it will start to oppose the flow of electric charges in the circuit. So that is what called as a resistance. If the component offered high resistance, that means the flow of charge will be less. If low resistance means the flow of charge will be high. Okay, it is quite opposite to each other. And another thing, resistance is a ratio of volt, that is voltage, and current through the circuit. That means, okay, if I connect the high resistance component, okay, a high resistance, what will happen? The flow of electric charge will be less. So in that case, high potential difference needed to drive the electric charges, to drive the electric charges. So if the resistance is high means obviously the potential difference also high in the circuit. Then only the flow of charges will take place in the circuit. Okay. Then, so that is defined in the formula R equal to V by I, voltage by current. Okay. So high resistance means we need high potential difference in the circuit and to drive the current in the circuit. Okay. Then now we go for the resistivity. Resistivity means how strong the component resists the flow of electric charges. How strong it can resist the flow of electric charges. So that is what called as a resistivity. And the resistivity symbol is rho, and the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Okay. In the next video, we will see furthermore topics whatever they have given in your textbook. I hope this video will be very useful for you all. If you want more updates on educational videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel G.K.Jain. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.